Yeah, I say we should have done the hotel room idea earlier, but we didn't know we'd be this long. You know. Notice they're taking it easy too. Sheriff. That's the sheriff. Woo! Nice ride. I wonder what this road's gonna look like after all this stuff melts away.
I don't know.
Yeah, but when I had my 2008 Ford Focus, I was going from Lana's to work, and that little started to call it Escort. That little Focus did a little bit of a fishtail, but I stayed calm and remembered what y'all taught me, and I didn't have any problems. Plus, I prayed before I went out, so. It's been a long time since I've driven, thanks to this bum leg. And I'm not even a bum.
Not even a bum.
Yeah.
You're not a bum.
No, I got a bum leg, but I'm not a bum. And my leg's been hurting all day. Of course, you can't tell because I've found a way to try to adapt to it.
What?
I dropped the phone, but it landed on my lap. Possibly.
That's a Richard something.
I don't know.
Come on, your car. Let's get in here. All right. Am I doing all right there?
Yeah,
I can't see anything.
you're okay.
Come on, car. Come on, car.
There you go.